Nowadays, almost all of us have to use a computer at some point in our lives, whether it's for work or for fun. However, we are not all equal when it comes to computer skills. In this video, you'll find some shortcuts that will help you save a substantial chunk of time and also make you look super cool. Keep watching to learn them so you won't need to touch your mouse again. Number 1. Open Clipboard History. Almost all of us know about the Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V shortcuts to copy and paste an item in Windows, which was invented by Larry Tesler. But what many people don't know is the advanced option to show the clipboard history, which contains all the previously copied items. It's pretty convenient if you are editing many files at once. To access the clipboard history, press Windows plus V. For Mac users, press Command plus V. But you have to enable the feature in the settings first. Number 2. Take screenshot. On the topic of editing many files at once, screenshots are essential for your work. So take that cat picture and insert it into your file by pressing Windows plus Print Screen or Command plus Shift plus 3 for Mac to save an image of your desktop. Mac users have the upper hand here, since if you press 4 instead of 3, you can choose what part or what tab to take a picture. Money pays off, right? That said, for Windows users, if you click on Windows plus Shift plus S, you can open the snipping tool and select a part of the screen to copy to Clipboard or save to a file. Number 3. Emoji Keyboard. We are a new generation of texting, and words don't satisfy us anymore. We need those emojis of laughing, crying, rolling, kissing, squinting, winking faces in all of our messages. If you are familiar with inserting emojis on your smartphones, here is how to do so on your computer. Just press Windows plus period and choose from a wide range of emojis. Remember to install Windows 10 for this feature. For Mac users, press Command plus Control plus Spacebar to access it. Number 4. Virtual Desktop. If you are a multitasker, opening a new virtual desktop will make your projects much more organized. For Windows, press Windows plus Control plus D and Control plus Up for Mac to create a new desktop, and you can start doing another task. For example, you can open up your game for a few minutes and quickly change between the desktops by pressing Windows plus Control plus left or right. For Mac users, you just need to press the Control key and left or right. Don't tell your boss I told you this. And to close that new desktop, press Windows plus Control plus F4 or Option plus X for Mac. Number 5. Split screen for 2 windows. If you want to open 2 apps side by side on Windows and don't have more than one monitor, use this to split the screen. On one app, press Windows plus left arrow to push it to the left, and Windows plus right arrow to push the other app to the right and vice versa. Now you can watch a tutorial video and practice at the same time with no problem. Number 6. Lock your computer. One really useful shortcut to hit before you leave your desktop is Windows plus L, which will immediately lock your computer. For Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus Q and you will see the lock screen. If you have a password, it will ask you to type in the password to log in. I have had my fair share of coworkers messing with my Facebook status, so I always use this shortcut. Number 7. Open incognito mode. Once in a while, you need to go incognito when browsing the web. Maybe you're using another person's computer or simply don't want anyone to know what you searched for on Google. Trust me, I know you have something. On Chrome, for Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N, and for Mac, press Command plus Shift plus N to quickly open the incognito mode. Now freely view your desired website and people won't know about it. Well, the FBI and many other organizations will still see, since they can access that data. But you won't search for something that brings the FBI to your door, right? Number 8. Hide all open windows. Now, supposedly someone, not the FBI, has rushed into your room and you need to hide all open windows on your desktop. You can press Windows plus D to do it quickly. All that is shown on your screen now is just the blank desktop. You wish you knew this earlier when you were a teenager, huh? To restore all the windows in their original forms, press Windows plus D again. Also, if you have a messy desktop that stores all files you need to access frequently, this shortcut can be a lifesaver. Number 9. Quick access with the taskbar. Moving on, here's a good shortcut to know with the taskbar at the bottom of your desktop. You will usually see your apps here, both opened and unopened. A neat way to launch any program on the taskbar is by pressing Windows plus a number. Whatever the number of the program's position on the taskbar, you just need to press the shortcut and it will launch. For example, the first app on my taskbar is File Explorer, so I press Windows plus 1 to launch it. Very useful and convenient. Number 10. Use the magnifier. Many of you may not know this. Your computer has a magnifier to help you see the smallest details of pictures you view. Press the shortcut of Windows key and plus or minus key to access the magnifier app, which can instantly zoom in on the location of your cursor. For Mac users, you need to press Alt, Command, and the plus or minus button. I found the shortcut really cool because it can help me see all the details in my 4K wallpaper. Number 11. Restore closed tabs. On the Chrome browser, have you ever felt frustrated when you open a whole lot of tabs, then close a tab by accident and don't know how to get it back? In this case, the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus T will be your savior. This will open all tabs that you closed in order from the latest, so you don't have to go into the history page and find the one you wanted to reopen. Chrome remembers the last 10 tabs that you've closed, so say goodbye to those accidents. For Mac users, the shortcut is Command plus Shift plus T. Number 12. Access the Action Center. The Action Center is a must-know place for computer users since you can see your recent messages, turn Wi-Fi on and off, set up Bluetooth, connect with other devices, and more here. To access the Action Center, simply press Windows plus A. For Mac users, this feature is not available. And those are some of the most helpful keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. But before trying out these shortcuts, you may need to hit the like and subscribe buttons on our channel. Thanks for watching.